If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen with some handy gadgets, you're in the right place. I've listed 20 best Amazon kitchen gadgets under $55 that can make cooking easier and more fun. These gadgets are practical and budget-friendly, perfect for any kitchen. Whether you need something to save time or add a little extra help in the kitchen, there's something here for you. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. AS Booger Butter Dish with Lid. Featuring a durable lid with a sealed silicone ring, this butter dish keeps butter fresh longer, preventing it from absorbing other food odors. The integrated groove holds the included butter knife, offering convenience when serving. It fits most butter brands and is made from high-quality ceramic for easy cleaning. Its sleek design makes it an elegant addition to your dining table or kitchen decor. Dash Mini Donut Maker. Quickly create 7 mini donuts with this easy-to-use appliance. Perfect for busy mornings or entertaining, it works with various batters like cake or brownie mix. Its non-stick surface ensures easy cleanup, while the compact size makes it a great gift for any kitchen. With a simple setup, this donut maker is ideal for large families or anyone looking to add a bit of fun to their kitchen. UOBio Mini Humidifier. This cute cactus-shaped humidifier is USB-powered, making it perfect for travel. It can hold up to 280 milliliters of water, providing a mist that moistens skin and improves breathing. Ideal for winter dryness or summer heat, it's small enough to fit in your pocket and can be used as a personal mister. It's a hassle-free, portable solution to dryness, whether in your home, office, or during travel. Arbolife Smart Food Kitchen Scale. This digital scale helps track calories and nutrition, seamlessly syncing with an app for easy meal planning. It features precise measurements with 5 units of measurement, ensuring accuracy for cooking, baking, or portion control. With a sleek, rechargeable design and a large LED display, it's a stylish and eco-friendly kitchen addition that supports balanced eating and wellness goals. UGW Kiv Soap Dispenser Palm Brush. Featuring an ergonomic design, this soap dispenser brush is made for easy handling, particularly for smaller hands. The brush dispenses soap automatically, making it effortless to clean pots, bowls, and sinks. With a transparent body, you can monitor soap levels, while the fine brush ensures thorough cleaning. Its modular design allows easy refills and storage, making it an efficient kitchen cleaning tool. ThermoPro Digital Meat Thermometer. This high-precision thermometer provides quick, accurate readings in just 3 to 4 seconds. Featuring a foldable, waterproof stainless steel probe, it's easy to use and clean. The thermometer locks the temperature reading for convenience, allowing you to check food without removing it from the heat. The magnetic back makes it easy to store, and it's perfect for grilling, roasting, or candy making. Genuine Fred Pizza Wheel. Designed to make pizza cutting fun, this unique pizza wheel resembles a circular saw. The stainless steel blade easily slices through any pizza, and the durable engineering-grade plastic ensures long-lasting use. It's easy to clean with a removable blade shield. Whether for casual pizza nights or as a gift for pizza lovers, this tool adds a playful, functional touch to any kitchen. Gorilla Grip Cheese Grater. This versatile 4-in-1 box grater lets you zest, shred, slice, and grate with ease. The sharp stainless steel blades work quickly, whether you're prepping vegetables, fruits, or cheeses. Its oversized, ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable, slip-resistant grip. The slip-resistant border keeps it steady while you work, making it perfect for all your food preparation needs. It's rust-resistant and dishwasher-safe for easy cleanup. And Tonki Kitchen Timers. This digital timer features a loud or silent alarm switch, making it ideal for both cooking and classroom use. With a memory setting for convenience and a range up to 99 minutes, it ensures accurate timing every time. Its large display makes it easy to read from any angle, and the strong magnet, kickstand, and hanging hole provide versatile placement options. It's a handy tool for managing time in the kitchen or classroom. Kitchen Art Auto Measure. This spice carousel holds up to 12 spices and features a rotating design for easy access. With precise measurements, simply twist the dial to measure a perfect quarter teaspoon. Built to last, its sleek design helps keep your spices organized and easily accessible. The carousel includes 55 spice labels, ensuring a clutter-free kitchen and hassle-free cooking with organized, accurately measured seasonings. Vinci Express Cold Brew Coffee Maker. Brew your cold coffee in minutes with 3 strength settings, light, medium, and bold, allowing customization of flavor. Patented Circle Flow brewing technology ensures an evenly extracted, smooth, and less acidic drink compared to traditional methods. Its simple 3-step process makes brewing hassle-free, while the self-cleaning function and dishwasher-safe carafe simplify maintenance. Enjoy a fresh, flavorful cold brew without the long wait. Peach Street Immersion Blender. With a 500-watt motor and 4 sharp blades, this handheld blender can easily tackle tough ingredients like frozen fruits, vegetables, and meats. The Turbo Boost button provides an extra power surge for blending even the most stubborn items. Its detachable base allows for easy cleaning, while the ergonomic design ensures a steady grip. Ideal for smoothies, soups, milkshakes, and batters, this blender makes cooking and preparation quick and easy. Merkter Sega Electric Spin Scrubber. This electric spin scrubber features an LED light that illuminates surfaces, ensuring no dirt or stain is left behind. It spins at 210 RPM, providing powerful cleaning action, and boasts a 3-hour charge for up to 40 minutes of cleaning. The versatile scrubber includes 5 replaceable brushes and pads for various surfaces, making it ideal for kitchens and bathrooms. Its cordless design enhances maneuverability for hard-to-reach areas. Elite Gourmet EOM 123. Create perfect omelets, frittatas, and snacks in minutes with this easy-to-use breakfast maker. The non-stick surface allows for quick, hassle-free cooking, making up to 2 individual portions. Its lightweight, portable design eliminates the need for flipping or dirty pans, while preheat and ready indicators ensure the right cooking temperature. This versatile appliance can also be used for baking pastries, turnovers, and pies, making it a must-have for breakfast lovers. Farberware Euro Peeler. Equipped with a sharp, swiveling blade, this peeler effortlessly follows the contours of fruits and vegetables for smooth peeling. It handles everything from apples to potatoes and even hard cheeses and chocolates. The durable stainless steel blade resists rust, ensuring long-lasting use. An ergonomic, oversized handle offers a secure grip, providing safety and comfort during use. It's dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and easy. Vakaya Slicer Tool. This multifunctional tool makes slicing watermelon easy and elegant. It includes a slicer, fruit fork, and popsicle cutter, perfect for creating uniform pieces or fun watermelon popsicles. The stackable design saves space in your kitchen, while the food-grade plastic and stainless steel construction ensure durability and safety. With smooth edges and ergonomic handles, it provides a comfortable, efficient cutting experience. It's also easy to clean. Just rinse and wipe dry. Chef'n Fridge Fork. This unique gadget allows you to remove pickles, olives, or other jarred items without the mess. It features secure bands that fit around most jar rims, keeping the attached fork clean and handy. The fork's caddy keeps it stored on the jar, always ready for the next use. Ideal for camping or hosting charcuterie boards, it helps prevent fingers from touching the contents, ensuring hygiene and convenience every time. Exluvon Fridge Deodorizer. Featuring advanced air purification technology, this fridge deodorizer effectively eliminates tough odors at the source, offering long-lasting results. It boasts a 10-year lifespan, requires no batteries or maintenance, and surpasses traditional methods like baking soda and bamboo charcoal bags. With a high-quality Suez 304 stainless steel shell, it ensures durability and efficient purification thanks to its aerodynamically designed porous structure. Compact and portable, it's perfect for use in refrigerators, freezers, closets, and other small spaces, providing an eco-friendly and cost-saving solution. Cooler Kitchen Silicone Spoon Rest. Keep your countertop neat with this silicone spoon rest. It features 2 utensil rests, allowing you to swap out for easy cleaning while cooking. Made from durable, food-grade silicone, it's dishwasher safe and resistant to cracking or shattering like ceramic rests. The raised edges prevent spills, keeping your counter dry. This practical kitchen accessory helps organize your space and makes cleaning up after cooking a breeze. Zule Kitchen Milk Frother. This milk frother turns your kitchen into a coffee shop, with its powerful 13,000 RPM motor and 25 spiral rings. It whips up rich, velvety foam for your favorite drinks like lattes, cappuccinos, and hot chocolate. Designed with an ergonomic handle and simple on-off button, it's easy to use anywhere. Built to last with stainless steel and nylon, it's portable, easy to clean, and makes frothing fun and effortless. That's a wrap on our list of 20 amazing Amazon kitchen gadgets under $55. These affordable tools will transform your cooking game without breaking the bank. Whether you're looking to streamline your prep work or add a little fun to your kitchen, there's something for everyone here. To grab these gadgets at the best prices, check out the links in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow cooking enthusiasts, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell icon so you never miss out on our latest tips, reviews, and content. Happy cooking!